Okay, friends, we're going to try elephant toothpaste science experiment. Love this experiment. Always wanted to try it. Let's see if it works. Our items that we need is yeast. We need, can't quite see, hot water. This is hot. I just went and filled it up. Food coloring. Dish soap, hydrogen peroxide, something to measure with, so that would be like a ruler. You might need a cup or something. I just have a can in here, and a bottle to put it in. So I'm just going to reuse the bottle I had. So it says first you need to add half a cup of the hydrogen peroxide, 8 drops of food coloring, and 1 tablespoon of the dish soap. So half a cup of hydrogen peroxide. So I gotta open my hydrogen peroxide because it's not been opened yet. This cup's dirty, so let me get a different one. My little half cup measuring cups, cheat sheets. All right, half cup. Put my pieces in the trash. All right, and we need how many drops of coloring? 8 drops. Let me see what color. I think I'll do green this time. Since I did blue earlier, red earlier. We'll do green now. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you need 1 tablespoon of the dish soap. So let me get my tablespoon cleared off. Tablespoon. Now, I do have the lid for this, so let me grab the lid and we can mix this up. Lid. Now, next step. In a separate cup, that's why we need the cup, mix the cup, 1/4 a cup of hot water and 3 tablespoons of yeast. So, back to my 1/4 a cup of hot water. A little bit too much because that's a half cup. All right, there's my 1/4 a cup. And this is, 1 packet is 4 ounces, so approximately 2 1/4 teaspoons. And it wants me to do how many? 3 tablespoons. So I need to make sure I have plenty of this. So I have scissors and my tablespoons. So we're gonna have to figure out what I need. So we're gonna have to cut them open. So I got my tablespoon here. Yep, that didn't fill that up. So let's move on to the next packet. Good thing I bought plenty of these. And if you noticed, I'm working on top of a very large, so that's 1. So I brought out a very large cookie sheet to work on because elephant toothpaste will make a mess. So if you're going to do this inside, definitely make sure you have a good space to make a mess. That's 2. All right, got another packet over here. There's 3. Now, the point of this is yeast has an active ingredient in it that it needs. So, it says to mix it for 30 seconds with the water. So I'm using my spoon. Ooh, it's very thick. I don't think there's enough water in it. Very. I'm getting a stick out. Because it is very thick at the moment. Ooh, it's slapping at me. The yeast in the hot water is mixed. Now, slowly add it to the hydrogen, soap, and food coloring. And stand back. Well, I'm trying to get it to mix. Because right now it's too thick. So if it's too thick, you don't want it very thick. You want it soupy. So right now, you might have to add a little more hot water to it. Because you don't want it too soupy. Or too hot. Or not what I'm looking for. Too clumpy. Clumpy. That's what I'm looking for. There we go. Now it's starting to loosen up. It was too much. Now it's starting to loosen. Once you get it all mixed up for 30 seconds, I'm making a mess. I'll move my scissors and stuff back, so it is going to be messy. Let's see. Did you? Wow, do you see all that? That is pretty cool. Elephant toothpaste. And it smells pretty good too. You can smell the soap. Now you see why I put a tin underneath. It gets messy. Definitely worth the wait.